Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to enable Google Chrome to ask where to save files before downloading. I show you guys how to do that. You just need to click on this three dot icon and you just need to scroll down and select settings. On left side select downloads. On right side you can able to see the option ask where to save each file before downloading. Toggle that to on position. Now, if you are attempt to download any files from the Chrome browser, it will give you a little dialog pop-up window asking you where you want to save the file before downloading. For example, I just going to download this Google Chrome, guys. Download Chrome, and it will ask you where to save it. You just need to select the file location you want to save the Chrome setup, and after selecting it select save and that will be saved, guys. And that's all you have to do it, guys. So for example, I just turning off this option and now I am downloading Chrome, and it will don't ask me, guys, where to save. It will directly download it, and that's pretty much, yeah. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.